What's up, YouTube, Facebook? This is Mike here with Trushine cleaning, man. So I'm out here in the floor. So I'm getting ready to clean some furniture. As you can see, everything's pulled out in the garage. In the driveway. This sectional was damaged by the flood water that we had this past weekend here in St. Louis. So I'm here cleaning it. As you can see, it got up to this height of the sectional. The customer said it didn't really get this high up on the cushions, but it is definitely savable. The large areas are fully dry. Those cushions, they say, is still wet. So I'm cleaning these first, then I will clean those, and I may have to take the cushions out of these and see if they can just let them air dry, and we can go from there. But cleaning the fabric is their main concern, and they should be able to find some new cushions at certain stores. But I'm going to show you guys how everything comes out. As you can see, I'm going to do the back area. So you're going to see everything comes out. Right now I'm doing some vacuuming. I've already vacuumed the ottoman, that piece. So now I'm vacuuming these right now. So I'll show you guys some of the out. Alright, you guys, as you can see, finishing up with this furniture now. Everything is coming out great. I just got these 4 top pillows left. Well, for the couches, I should say. But now I'm about to, after that, I'll be doing these 4 cushions. And I'm going to take the cover off of them after I clean them, sit them over there on my tarp, and then I'm going to use my, this extraction claw to see how much water I can pull out of those foam cushions. But I let the client know, like, there's no guarantee how much water I can pull out of it, and if she can sit them somewhere and let them drip dry, that'll be great. But if not, she may have to just replace them. But I think I can get a lot of the water out again. She let them dry. If she let them dry, then they should be pretty good. She can put them back on, and everything should be good to go. So right now, just taking you guys around. Alright, you guys, finishing up with all this upholstery, furniture cleaning. You can see now I am extracting water out of some cushions to see how much I can actually extract. Told the customer I can't guarantee that I can get all the water out, but if they let it sit in air dry, it may drip all the water out. But if not, they may have to get some new cushions. Alright, you guys, give you guys a full final walkthrough of how this furniture came out. As you can see, I took the cushions out of those pillows. So I extracted as much water as I could out of them. I got them sitting in the back. Everything came out great. If you're in the St. Louis area, give me a call at 314-518-1853.